Tracfone Auto Refill ensures uninterrupted service, but it can fail due to outdated payment info, incorrect security codes, or bank holds. Payments decline if your card is expired or the CVV zip code doesn't match your bank's records. Banks may also place temporary holds on your account if they suspect fraud. To fix this quickly, update your payment information, card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code via the Tracfone app or website. Then, contact your bank to clear any billing holds. According to Tracfone's Q3 2025 report, the auto refill success rate is 95% for active subscriptions. To troubleshoot auto refill issues, first log into your Tracfone account via the app or website. Navigate to the Auto Refill section and select Update Payment Method. Next, verify that your CVV and billing zip code match the information on file with your bank. These details are crucial for payment authorization. Monitor your bank statements for any billing holds placed for security reasons. Approve these holds via your bank's app to resolve payment issues. Tracfone now integrates with digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, which can help minimize issues with CVV and zip codes. By 2025, over 60% of users have switched to these methods. Tracfone employs AI-driven billing checks to detect and resolve fraud issues quickly. They also use chatbots that handle most customer queries, speeding up resolutions. Looking ahead, Tracfone plans to shift towards biometric payments by 2027, which could eliminate the need for CVV and zip codes for verified users. If these steps don't resolve your auto refill issues, contact Tracfone customer support for further help.